How to create a new Instagram business page. So first, you have to go to your Google Play Store. If you don't have an account on Instagram, search for Instagram, install or update, and then open your Instagram. Now you can create a business page from an existing Instagram account, but I strongly suggest to create a new one. So tap on create a new account, like this one. Now the first thing they will ask you, or Instagram will ask you, is a username. Make sure it's unique, then create a password. After that, tap on next, enter your email address, tap on next. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to simply add your profile, add or follow people here on Instagram, but actually this one is optional. You can do that one later. So once you have your profile here, or once you have created an account on Instagram, what you're going to do is you have to click your profile at the bottom right corner. At the top right corner, tap on this three lines. And then here you have to scroll down and look for account type and tools. So you have to click account type and tools right here. Click this one. And after that, tap on switch to professional account. Click this one right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and then tap on next. What best describes you? Let's just say you will be promoting clothing here, clothing brand. Everything is up to you. Just click that and then proceed. Next, what type of professional are you? So this time, of course, you have to select business. Tap on business. This one is optional. You can toggle this, yes or no, and then tap on next. Then after that, and then you can now add your contact address, your email address, phone number, and your physical address. So you can add it right here, but you can also add it one later. After that, you can also connect it to your Facebook page, but you can also do that one later. So tap on X or skip, and it's now time to build your profile. So you can do it right away or you can do that one later. But basically, this is how easy it is to create a new Instagram business page. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.